Are you experiencing computer issues in Fort Myers Beach? We're here to help. Welcome to your trusted local computer repair service. At Fix My Computer Fort Myers Beach, we offers professional repair for all your tech needs. We serve Fort Myers Beach and surrounding areas with top-notch computer repair services. Facing slow performance, unexpected crashes, or virus issues? Our expert technicians can fix all types of computer problems, big or small. We come to you. Home and office visits available for your convenience. No need to unplug everything, let us handle it on site. We fix slow computers, remove viruses and malware, perform hardware repairs and upgrades, and troubleshoot software issues. Worried about the cost of fixing your computer in Fort Myers Beach? Our prices are transparent and competitive. Call us today for a free quote. Do you need a quick and reliable computer repair solution? Our technicians are highly experienced and ready to solve your tech problems. Call us at 239-382-7247 for fast, same-day service. Or visit us online at fixmycomputerfortmyersbeachfl.com. Don't let a broken computer disrupt your day. We're just one call away from fixing your computer hassle-free. Contact us today.